In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of a Google Sheet. This is a handy skill to learn if you've ever found yourself needing to revert changes, perhaps after an accidental edit or when experimenting with data has gone wrong. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Sheets document. Once you're there, take a deep breath. You've got this. Begin by clicking on the File tab, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. But today, our focus will be on locating the version history. This feature is a real lifesaver because it keeps track of all the changes made to your document, allowing you to travel back in time to a previous state of your work. After you've clicked File, go ahead and look for Version History within the drop-down list. Click on it to proceed. But wait, there's more. Another submenu will appear, guiding you to See Version History. Click on this, and like magic, you'll be taken to a new view displaying a timeline on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll notice different timestamps showing every saved version of your sheet. Isn't it reassuring to know that all these versions are neatly stored, ready to be accessed whenever needed? As you peruse through this timeline, take a moment to look through the different saved instances. You'll want to identify the specific version you wish to restore. Once you have found the perfect version, hover over it. You'll see an option titled More Actions, which usually looks like 3 vertical dots. Click those dots, and you'll see additional options pop up. Among these, select Restore this version. Clicking on this option will replace your current document with the version you've chosen. It's important to note that you won't lose your current version when you restore an old one. Google Sheets automatically saves your latest version to the version history, so you can always switch back if you change your mind. This feature ensures that no data is ever truly lost, providing peace of mind when managing important documents. And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how to restore a previous version of a Google Sheet. This technique is invaluable for keeping your data safe and maintaining a detailed record of your work history. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to tackle any editing mishaps with confidence. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps elevate your Google Sheets experience. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Until next time.